Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's solve this problem of derivatives. So x is equal to this is e to the power x is equal to e to the power y plus e to the power y plus dots infinity given. We have to find the derivative of this. So x is equal to e to the power y plus e to the power y plus dots infinity. So we can rewrite it as x is equal to e to the power y plus x, because this is only the x. So if we take log of this, so log x is equal to y plus x log e. So that means log e is equal to 1. So log x is equal to y plus x. So that implies y is equal to log x minus x. This is log x. So dy dx is equal to 1 by x minus 1. So that means x 1 minus x by x. So for this problem, option A is correct. If you like this video, please click on the like button and also share it with your friends. For more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. You can also leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. Thank you.